G'day, here's a small deal of beginner material of Lightning Ridge seam opal. It's been wetted, as you can see. No great big colour bars in it, but it's being sold as practice material, something you can pick up, a lot of it, in your fingers, shape a stone. Anyway, I hope you enjoy looking. I'll zoom in, you get a better look. Okay, some of the material hasn't got anything in it, like it's got a lot of clay. Interesting little, probably like a knobby in the bottom of it there, and a little eye of colour showing, but most of it's cleaner seam opal like this. Bit of colour poking through on the top there. Some of it hasn't got much colour in it at all, but there again, when you look at it closer, you can see this particular piece, this little bar. Here's a particularly nice piece. Nice little stone on the end there. Bordering more on potch. Purples. But it really is practice material. A lot of it hasn't got so much colour in it. Bit of crystal blue there. Purples. Not much. Quite a sandy piece. Basically I've just picked this stuff up out of a bucket, a handful at a time, done some deals. Anyway, it's not very expensive. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.